Today I'm going to teach you about the Array Modifier in Blender. With this, you can increase the count of any object or mesh along the X, Y, or Z axis. And the best part is, while staying inside the Array Modifier, if you edit the main object, those changes will automatically appear in all the duplicated objects as well. Add a cube. Press S plus Z to scale it to the desired height. Switch to edit mode using tab. Extrude the top and merge at the center. Now we have the basic shape. Add 2 more cubes to complete this section. And we have one part of the fence. Add an array modifier and increase the count. And just like that, your fence is ready. Use the array modifier on X, Y, or even Z axis. You can make fences, railings, stairs, anything. Now apply another array modifier to the whole fence. Add an empty with the plane axis. The empty gives you full control over the array. Click on Object Offset. Use the eyedropper to select the empty. Move or rotate the empty. The whole array moves with it. You can even make it open like a door. This method saves a lot of modeling time. You don't have to copy objects manually. Just change one object and all copies update. Add a cube. Apply the array modifier. Now, add an empty object. Open the array settings. Click on Object Offset. Use the eyedropper to select the empty. Move or rotate the empty. The whole array moves with it. It gives smooth animation perfect for loops and graphics. Only objects like empties work with offset. You can scale, move, or rotate to control the array. This gives you creative control. Keep experimenting with new tricks.